According to the National Electrical Code, there are requirements regarding the maximum distance for locating the secondary overcurrent protection device, or OCPD, from a transformer. Specifically, NEC 450.3 addresses transformers rated over 125 kVA that are not located in a vault. For these transformers, the secondary OCPD must be located within 10 feet, which is 3.5 meters, of the transformer. NEC 450.3b2 covers transformers rated not over 125 kVA. For these transformers, the secondary OCPD must be located within 25 feet, which is 7.62 meters, of the transformer. Therefore, the maximum distance for setting the secondary OCPD from the transformer is generally 25 feet, or 7.62 meters, provided that the transformer is not rated over 125 kVA and is not located in a vault. It's crucial to understand that these distances refer to the physical distance between the transformer and the OCPD itself, not the distance between the transformer and the point where the secondary conductors are tapped off. There are some exceptions to these distance rules. Firstly, if the secondary conductors are installed in a raceway, the OCPD can be located outside the raceway, but the distance between the OCPD and the point where the secondary conductors enter the raceway cannot exceed 10 feet, which is 3.5 meters. Secondly, if the secondary conductors are run in a metal-clad cable assembly, the OCPD can be located outside the cable assembly, but the distance between the OCPD and the point where the secondary conductors enter the cable assembly cannot exceed 6 feet, or 1.83 meters. Thirdly, if the secondary conductors are run in an outdoor enclosure, the OCPD can be located outside the enclosure, provided that the distance between the OCPD and the point where the secondary conductors enter the enclosure does not exceed 10 feet or 3.5 meters. To summarize, in a typical commercial building setting that is a non-industrial installation, the general rule is that the maximum distance for setting a secondary OCPD from a transformer is 25 feet or 7.62 meters for transformers rated not over 125 kVA. However, it's essential to always check for any applicable exceptions that might modify this requirement. Always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and local amendments for the most accurate and up-to-date information, and consult with a qualified electrical inspector or engineer to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and standards. Remember, safe electrical installations are paramount, and adhering to the NEC guidelines is crucial for protecting people and property.